Open your web browser and navigate to this site. Scroll down and click on the Download button. Scroll down again and choose a download mirror. Save the file to your Downloads directory. Now wait for the download to complete. I have sped this up so it's not as boring to watch. Click this folder icon to show Downloads directory. Now copy your file. Find where you want to build your project. Here I have created a directory called Project, and I will paste it in there. Now we need to make a virtual hard drive. In our project directory, we need to make a boot script. This is a quick script just to get the project started. We will edit this later to add more hardware. QEMU is a free and open-source emulator that uses dynamic binary translation to emulate a computer's processor. It translates the emulated binary codes to an equivalent binary format, which is executed by the machine. It provides a variety of hardware and device models for the virtual machine, enabling it to run different guest operating systems. QEMU can be used with a kernel-based virtual machine to emulate hardware at near-native speeds. Now we have our script. We need to make it executable so we can run it. Double-click the boot script to run it. We will resize the window to make it easier to see. Open the terminal. Type this command to find the virtual hard drive we created. fdisk is a command line tool to work with partitions on a drive. It is also a good tool for finding the device name, serial number, and size of attached drives. Now we need to create a partition to work on. cfdisk is a command line tool to create, edit, or delete partition tables on a connected drive. Oops, I forgot something. mkfs.ext4 is a command line tool to format partitions on a connected drive into the ext4 format. Did it again. Now, I won't have that problem again. Make a mount point for our virtual drive and mount it. Make a build directory. Now we need to decompress the file system. Unsquash.fs is a tool from the Squashed File System tools. It allows a compressed file system to be extracted so you can edit the files before rebuilding the image. This is the directory we need to move all our modified files to. That is all for part 1 in this series. See you in part 2.